Hi there, and welcome back to NovaTools Tutorials. In the previous video, we learned how to share all of the sessions in a project with guests. Today, we will be learning how to share a selection of sessions with guests instead of a full project. To accomplish this, we will need to select each session we want to share and retrieve a guest link. Here we are on the project page viewing our workflow for a workshop we will be hosting. If I only want to share the first session with a guest to provide a preview of the workshop, I can do it from the project page or from within the session. Here on the project page, I can click on the Manage Assigned button in the top left corner of the session, press Generate Join Link, and copy this link to send to my guests. To do the alternative method, let's enter the session we'd like to share. Inside the session, we can click on the Invite button, where we can generate and copy the share link once again for us to send to our guests. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.